Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance binder day, where I have $80 in prop money and 12 saving challenges that I am saving for my sinking funds. Today I am going to use my 12-sided die to help me determine which envelope I'm going to. So let's get started. I think I got $83 today because I had $3 from the last time that we played. I rolled it over to this week. And I did remember to put some new saving challenges in here. Ooh, we had envelope number 4, which is Miss Chief Managed Budgets. Had me at boba. So let's get the boba. Let's see. Let's get a card out. Oh, we already did that one. Let's do this one. Ooh, that is a whopping $13. Let's do 13. So 10, 11, 12, 13 is going to that one. Let's put that in there. And then let's go to number 5. 5 is Steph's on a budget. Ooh, I got to mark. This is her summer one. Need to determine how much this is going to be here. So let's roll a 6-sided die to see how much. We got 4, 5, and a watermelon is $1. All right, so let's go ahead and scratch one. Let's do this one. And we got the watermelon. Let's do it again. And we got a cherry. Not a cherry, strawberry. Strawberry for $5, so $6. So 5 and 6. That is so cute. I like that graphic there. $6. And we are going to 9. 9 is Beautiful Budgets Co. This will never get any love. Let's see. We need 2 dies here. And let's see. Let's do 1 and 4. 1 and $1. Okay, I'm not complaining. So we got $1. Let's do that again. Let's do 4 and 2. 4 and 2 is $12. So 10, 11, and 12. All right. Ooh, let's go to 3. 3 is Steph's on a budget. Steph on a budget? What? No, stuff and budgets. So stuff and budgets. Let's see. It says $50. We only got 2 left. That's a 7. Should I just finish it? Yeah. 7 and 5. Let me see. Okay. So that is 12. Let's see. We should have $50. Let's see, who is this going to? All right. So we got 20, 30, 40, 45, 47, 48, 49, and 50. $50 is going to the husband, of course. Oh, $50. So plus 50. So 206 minus 50. I need to probably, I said minus. I need to probably update this. Plus, because I believe I took Father's Day out of here, but I can't remember. 256. All right. That is a completed challenge. And let's put that right there. And let's go on the roll. That is 9. 9 again. I just said 9 not getting any love. And 9 is getting all the love today. So let's do 1 and 6, which is 5. We're just going to do that 5. And keep it rolling. 7. 7 is the humble budgeter. Oh, that's our friends here. That's living their best life. Okay. And let's see which card we're going to do. 8. Oh, we haven't even touched 8 yet. And she drinking her bubble tea. No, shut your mouth. That is $17. She got some expensive boba. Is this going to work? Oh, wow. That really started working? Wow. Girl, get your life. How you doing a video with no power to the vacuum? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Oh, that just happened. All right. That $17 took all the money. All right, let's roll again. We got, really, is that 6? That can't be. Oh, budgeting introvert. Okay, we have did 6. That was 9 we was doing. Okay. So this is budgeting introvert. This is a scratch and roll. Should we roll or should we scratch? Ooh, we getting kind of low. Let's go ahead and do a scratch. Let's do this one. Ooh, solid. Oh, gotta wipe it like that. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5. Where's 5 is Steph's on the budget. Ooh, let's see. Let's go to this corner. Ooh, a cherry for $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, all this explosive diarrhea virus parasite is, I'm scared to eat any fresh fruits or vegetable at this point, because who wants that? It's just wash your fruit. Because I can't have none of that. So let's see, we only got $5. Where should we go? Let's see. Or it's gonna take us to 1. Because all these cases we got in Ohio, nope. I'll be that one person, do everything right, wash it properly, everything, and still get it. No ma'am. No ham. Nope. So this one says $35. Ooh, we got $5. We are risking it. Risking it. Let's see. Ooh, that is a 4. We can do that. $4. Oh, well, I keep picking that vacuum up and there's no batteries. Do I got $1 in here? I do. Put that 5. And we have $1 left. Do I have a catch-all? Maybe not. Oh, I can put into that roll and save. Let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and put it. Where's she at? Right here. Let's go ahead and put that $1 right here. And our roll and save. Boom. All right, let's see where we at. Let's go to number 1. Got $5. Almost finished with that one. That's did I say that was budget with Cardi? I don't know if I said that. Bookish Mama budget. Thinking, ooh, I didn't put one in here. I thought I did. I gotta put one in there. Stuff and budget. We finished that one for $50. Gotta put one in there. And Mischief managed budgets got $10, $11, $12, $13. Then we have steps on the budget, got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. All right. Then we have budget introvert, got $5, $6, $7, $8, $9. Oops, get in there. Let me see, the humble budget, we got $5, $10, $15, $16, $17. Budgeting for me, did get anything. That's a new challenge in here. And then beautiful budgets code got $5, $10, $15, $16, $17, $18. And then we got Dreamy Budgets didn't get anything today. Mystic Budgets didn't get anything today. And Lemon Ivy didn't get anything today. So that is it, friends. That is my financial abundance binder. Ooh. All right. Thank you, everyone, for the love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.